What's up guys, AIRSOFTEK here. Today I'm gonna do another unboxing of a brand new gun that I bought, and I'm gonna try to compare it a little bit about against the King Arms, right? I know those guys are not designed to do the same kind of gameplay if you want, but you know, in terms of quality and all that stuff, and I'm pretty sure the Specna Arms is gonna be better. This is the Specna Arms FLEX series. I think it's SA03. If I'm not wrong, so let's just crack it open. First of all, you know, straight up the box is really bad. You have your manual in there, some stickers and shit like that. That's pretty cool. Nice stickers, right? So we have what looks like a plastic eye cap. Nothing wrong with it. And I think it's a S-MAG, they call it. There's a lot of dust in there though, but you have a M90 spring for our UK friends, I guess, and the gun itself. So I'm just gonna remove the box. Okay, so the gun is out. So first of all, you have your flip up sights right there. You have a nice, this is I think 10-inch key mud rail, plastic, everything is plastic in there. You have already 3 slots, you know, to mount your shit in there, so that's cool. So first of all, I think the flash hider is plastic, but the barrel is solid metal. Sector plastic, trigger, I think it's plastic. This is metal, and buffer tube is plastic. Just a little bit of wiggle, you know, on the crane stack, but nothing crazy, right? Compared to what we see, and you know, super lightweight. I really like the feel of that gun. You know, everything is solid, right? It's not, you know, loose like the King Arms. So straight up, I think this is better than the King Arms. Okay, so I just removed the pin, right? Nothing crazy there. So I'm just gonna try to open that guy. Put it on the side. So first of all, I see plastic air nozzle, plastic spring. I don't think there's nothing crazy in there, but still way better. The barrel it's supposed to be a 6.03, and you have a nice rotary style up and a pop-up light. It gives you, you know, a nice tension there, so I would say the pop is pretty good. The pop doesn't really move against the barrel, so that means, you know, you will have good precision consistencies with that guy straight out of the box, so that's pretty cool. And the barrel is I would say 363 probably. So, you know, you have a good barrel length and all that stuff, you know, to do. So yeah, there's nothing wrong with that. Under there, oh, we have a Tamiya connector. Yeah, that's not what you want to see normally, but and I think the cylinder is aluminum. So you know what? I think I'm just gonna do gonna reassemble everything. I don't have any things battery, so I'm gonna build a connector for it, and I'm gonna do a couple of test shots, and after that I'm gonna disassemble and show the motors and the gearbox, the internals and all that stuff. Okay, so the gun is reassembled, but I forgot to the bolt release in, but you know, it's not gonna affect performance by any means. So I just designed an adapter right there on the spot, It's a bad job. So for the test, I'm gonna use an 11.1 Titan battery, so low C rating shit, nothing crazy. And I'm using 0.20 gram BBs for the chrono. So I'm just try to set up the camera and all stuff, and I'm gonna do a couple of test shots. So I saw the granny, it's set for 0.2s. I'll try it. There. Okay. 384, 380, 381, 382, 382, 381, 380. So that's a pretty healthy FPS, I would say. Let's try full auto. 17.6 round per second. Oh, it's so blurry, man. 1.3 joule. Yeah, 17.6 all the time. 75 FPS, so yeah. I would say that's a pretty healthy gun, right? Now I'm gonna crack it open, let's see what's inside, but that's pretty good sort. So I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. I hope you have a great day. That was the AIRSOFTEK, and I'll catch you in the next one.